The big mistake I see young people make is they focus here. And the words are, I want to do what I love. You see, in real life, sometimes you have to do what you hate. Like, people think I like to write books. I hate writing books. But it fills my purpose in life. It's not my passion, my purpose in life. Because my purpose was to get here. So when I was before my 20s, I knew I wanted to go there, and it wasn't doing what I love. I had to learn what I didn't want to learn. I had sometimes to do what I hated. I had to learn about taxes. I had to learn about debt. I had to take classes. I had to learn about insurance. So I was doing a lot of things I hated doing so I could come over here. These guys never do this because they live their passion. I want my passion. The reason I make more money is because it's not what I'm doing what I love. I do sometimes what I hate so I can have the assets that I love.